Hi everyone, happy Friday. This week we had our potato harvest at our Brookmead Food Pantry Garden in Norwich, Vermont. This year we planted our seed potatoes a little bit later in the season than usual in hopes to avoid the potato bugs, which proved to be pretty effective for us. You know it's time to start digging up your potatoes when the greens of the plant have fully died back. Our potato harvest is one of our garden volunteers' favorite activities of the year because who doesn't love digging in the dirt and seeing how many potatoes they can find? At the end of our harvest, we were able to gather just under 200 pounds of potatoes, which we then donated to our friends over at Willing Hands. Thanks for tuning in and happy Friday, everyone.